Guys, so today I wanted to do a quick demonstration on this sunset projection lamp. Now this is how the projection lamp looks like, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. The circle is huge and the light is super bright. I really love how the outside of the ring projects a different light than the inside, so it looks like a sunset. I really love it. Now the circle is huge, guys. We're not even standing that far away from the wall and it's projecting onto almost the entire wall. Now if you move it a little bit closer, it will have a smaller circle, or if you move it a little bit farther away, it would be a bigger circle. Right now we're in the opposite side of the wall, so it's projecting onto the entire wall. The remote control, guys, so it has like a little remote control that you can press the buttons, so you can switch off the colors. You can also dim it, brighten it up if you would like to, but I would suggest that you download the app, guys. So on the back of the pamphlet that comes included, it has this QR code. All you have to do is just scan it, download the app, and you're gonna be able to control your projection lamp with your phone, and you're gonna have access to infinite amount of colors and also the different effects that your remote control does not have. So you're going to be able to fade in, fade out, sparkle, twinkle. It has so many cool effects, guys, so I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful lamp. It's great for holiday gifts, for birthday gifts, and I would honestly 1000% recommend it.